survey or form, you're going to select Manage Parents area, Add or Edit a survey or form. This is going to give you a list of any forms that are currently set up. You can edit these by selecting the blue plus, delete them with the orange cross, or clone them by using the clone button here. To add a new parent form, click here. You're then just going to start at the top and work your way down. So you can use these for lots of different things, school trips, clubs, end of year surveys. Just pop your title in, then you can relate it to the relevant class. You could put limitations on the form, so if you do have something like a club or a trip that only has so many places, you can use this drop down to say that after the first 50 people complete that form, it won't allow anyone else to complete it. You can have the survey start time and finish date. That basically means that the survey will become available to complete at a particular time and date, and it will finish on a particular time and date as well. You can have parent replies to be anonymous by selecting this box here, and then you're just going to tick on active and then start adding your questions here. So quite basic, just click on add a new question to the form. You're going to pop your question in here. Can your child attend the school trip? Then you've got a few different types of answers that you want to receive. So you've got short text, long text, multiple choice where only one can be selected, or multiple choice where many can be selected. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm just going to select my multiple choice options. And then save the question to the form. So I can continue adding questions to the form by just continuing to click this button here. And what it's going to do is give me a list of all the questions that I've got in my form. I can edit them by selecting the blue plus, delete them with the orange cross, and it'll also give me the option to move them up and down if I do have multiple questions on there. You can preview the form here. It's going to give you a preview of what it's going to look like to the parent. And you can also attach files using the file manager here. This works the same way as the file manager throughout School Spider. It's just the same as attaching something to an email, and that's then going to go with the form, and the parents can download this for more information. Once you're happy with your form, you're going to select Finalize Survey. This is just telling me that once you've sent this out, you can't amend any of the questions. So once you're happy, just click Yes. Now what that's going to do is send an email notification to your parents so they can log in onto your computer and fill out the form, or if they're logged into the app, they're also going to get an app notification where they can complete the form as well. To view the responses on your form, you're going to go to where you set the forms up, and you're going to select the blue plus. This is then going to give you a few different options to view the responses. You can see here you can download the replies as a PDF or an Excel, or you can also go into the Answers tab here, and you'll see the parent that's completed it, the child, the year, and then if you drop this down, selecting the blue plus, you can see their responses.